2-bed, 2-bath, and that morning sun that hits just right. Easy living in a great community. Welcome home. Welcome to this beautifully updated condo in one of 2 buildings. This is in the newer building. It's got a nice garden area in between with some rock features and benches. Inside you've got granite countertops, laminate flooring, and a smart functional layout. Step out onto your private southeast facing balcony, quiet sunny mornings, and a perfect place to unwind. Party room with the full kitchen, fitness room, guest suite, underground parking, and storage. Living in a great community. Welcome home. Holly Kowalczyk with the McMillan team. Give me a call for your own private tour.